Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Roshni. Happy New Year to everyone. I hope you all are doing well and this 2021 brings you positive vibes and a lot of positive thinking. Anyway, apart from that, I posted a picture on my Instagram wishing you guys a happy new year, and I was like, this makeup turned out pretty good, so let's just do it for YouTube, a detailed version, because it's been really long that I posted a makeup tutorial over here, and this would be my first makeup video, so I'm really excited. And I'll be sharing all the products and all the links will be in the description bar, so do check that out. So ज़्यादा देर ना करते हुए चलते हैं सीधा इस वीडियो की तरफ. So the very first thing that I did was prep my skin. Also this makeup took me around 5 to 10 minutes max क्योंकि मुझे जल्दी जल्दी करना था. I decided my outfit but I wasn't sure of the makeup. So this one is a very simple one with very simple steps, as you can see. कुछ ज़्यादा झंझट नहीं and everything. So the first one is prepping your skin, of course, applying moisturizer, toner, whatever you want to do. And then I used a primer. This one is the Swiss Beauty Real Makeup Base Highlighting Primer. So this one has basically some shiny particles in it that gives a perfect sheen and a very glowy base. I really like this one. Now this one is in the shade 01 Natural Tint, and this one is really thick and glides on beautifully and absorbs like a dream. I really love this one, and look at the packaging. This is one of my favorite primers that I have. So basically I don't think so this one is like a primer but a illuminator, but anyway it says it's a primer, so yeah, I used this one. For the next step I used a BB cream. I didn't really want something full coverage or something that was overpowering the base that I applied, so I used the BB cream by Rimmel London, and I tell you, I love it. This shade is little pinkish and dark on me, but after blending it out it looks perfect, and it has the good amount of coverage that a BB cream should have. Now this one is in the shade medium. Yeah, I did go for a medium, but quarantine में घर पे रह रह के skin tone has lightened, so foundation is like a hit and miss kind of thing. But yeah, I applied this one very little amount, like I applied it in a very little amount. Now this BB cream also has SPF 15, which makes it perfect for day wear, and I totally love it. For the next step I went on with a concealer. Now I did go for a full coverage concealer. The one I used is one of my favorites, is the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and this was in the shade medium beige. Now I'll also say that my concealer shade has lightened, I guess, because this one was a little dark again, because whenever I used it in summer it was perfectly fine, but now that I use it, I guess I have to go a shade down. But anyway, this one is a beautiful concealer that provides you full coverage but a natural finish, which I really like. And yeah, so I applied it under my eyes, bridge of my nose, and wherever I had pimple marks, and then just blended it out, and I had this clean canvas to start to paint. Now before setting everything with a loose powder or a compact, I wanted my blush to have a base for like perfect tint, so I went on with this lip color. It's by Nykaa. It's the Molten Matte, and this one is one of my favorite shades. It's the Rachel 01. I have used it so many times on my Instagram, and by now people know it, and it's a perfect nude color for my skin tone. So yeah, I really like it. I just took a little bit, applied it like the lip tint or tint normally that you apply, and just blended it out, and then I set my whole face using the Maybelline Fit Me Compact. Now this one is also a full coverage compact. Now this one is in the shade 310 Sun Beige, which is perfect shade for me. Even if I get like it looks dark, even if it looks light, it's just perfect for winters and summers for me, and I really love it. This is probably my 4th compact, I believe, because I love it so much, and it sets your makeup beautifully. I'm not a loose powder kind of person, prefer more of a compact over loose powders. And also this is matte and plus poreless, perfect for normal to oily skin that I am. Just took it and baked my under eye, like pressed it in with a flat conical brush, if I say so. And yeah, that's how my skin looks right now. Before setting in all the powders that are there in my face, like all the cream and everything, I'll do my eyebrows. Now I used the very old and gold palette that is not in a good condition. Now this one is the Wet n Wild classic palette, and it's in the shade Nude Awakening. It's broken, but yeah, I used the dark brown and the black shade to make it as an eyebrow shade. So it's a really good palette if you're looking for something affordable or you're about to start doing makeup. I just love it. So I did my eyebrows with this. Let's move on to the next step, that is setting. Now, one setting spray that you will see in each and every makeup video, that is the Makeup Fixer by Swiss Beauty. I totally love this stuff. Like, I have never used a fixer crazy like this one. This is my 5th bottle. Okay, this is so affordable, perfectly sets in your makeup, and this has aloe vera with vitamin E. Now I don't know about that as it says it has, but yeah, the finish is really good. So I like to shake it and spray it all around my face, and I take a beauty blender next and just dab it in so that the extra powders or whatever extra that is left is taken away with the beauty blender, and it will provide you a perfect beautiful canvas after we are done with that. Now I have discovered this trick. I don't know about others, like pehle se hoga, but it's like after setting your face, I apply the blush after setting it with a setting spray. Before I was like pehle compact laga lo, blush laga lo, contour laga lo, and then set it in. But then I was like, even if I did that, I did go over again with the blush because it applied beautifully. Like it is said, setting spray ke baad highlighter lagana is very pretty, like that. But yeah, I did that step over here, and this one really worked. So for blush, I used this one by Stay Quirky, Cheeky Girls Blush. So this one is in the shade Rose Scarlet. I love this one. This one is a matte blush, and this color has my heart. I can use it on daily basis, and it's so flawless. I'm going to get more of these. Okay, after I was done applying, I was like, I'm not going to apply contour, but later on blush ke baad I did go very lightly with the contour. For contour I used the Sugar one. This one is the Contour de Force Mini Bronzer Top Topper. Now it's very chocolatey, and I went on very lightly on my cheekbones, on my jawline that does not exist exactly, but yeah, I went on with the light nose contour also. So yeah, that was it with this one. For eyeshadow, I used the same palette, and yeah, I did use the same palette. So I went on with this light shade all over my eyelid to make it more pop out. I did not use any transition shade, yeah, and I used this shade right over here. It's very smooth and buttery. I did go over with the same brush on my crease and eyes, like all over my eyelid, and also I used this one as a highlighter also. After I was done applying this, I thought something was missing, so I did go on with another highlighter to make it more shiny, because मेरे को photo shoot धूप में करना था and I wanted to really shine and apply not much filter, just sunbeam the filter. So for more blinding effect, I use the highlighter by Swiss Beauty. This is so pretty. Now this was in the shade 03. It is said it's a blusher and highlighter. Of course it cannot be a blush, but yeah, look at the pigmentation. I totally love it. Next step, I was very confused. Should I apply eyeliner or not, or should I keep it really simple? So yeah, I was in really confusion, but I was like, let's go on directly with the eyelash. So for mascara, I used my go-to. I love this. This is the Hyper Curl Maybelline Easy Wash. This is the washable one. Sorry, yeah, this one is the washable one, and it really works amazing. I applied like 4 to 5 coats on my lower lash line and my upper lash line, and then used this eyelash. So I'm new to applying eyelashes, so it really took me around 2 to 3 minutes to figure out and apply all the eyelashes. But yeah, this one is by Red Cherry, I believe. I get all my eyelashes from Amazon. I'm very cheap when it comes to eyelashes because they turn out pretty good, so why not? Also, link is in the description to check that out. After that comes the lipstick part. Now I was like, the whole face is kind of nude and very bare, so let's go on with a dark lipstick, and it kind of suits me when it comes to pictures. I cannot really carry this lipsticks outside, to be very honest, not even red. So for lip liner, that I usually don't apply, but I use this one, ADS Perfect Eyeliner. So it's basically a kajal. This one also comes in a lot of shades that I got from Amazon for like very cheap, and it works good if you're looking for colorful kajal. I used this one as my lip liner first, and on lips, this is hella pigmented. As you can see, I just applied it, and yeah, it's really smooth and non-drying, which I'm like, okay, I can use it for my daily basis, though I don't wear makeup on daily basis, but yeah. Okay, for lipstick, I used this one. Now this one is by Lakme, matte melt liquid lip color, Lakme Absolute, and it's in the shade 16 Cocoa Butter. Oh my god, I totally love this shade, but to be very honest, this one is a little drying, like pretty drying. Like you should apply a lip balm before this. So yeah, this was the whole look that I did. Let me show off a little bit, a front look. Just go and watch it. So this one was the whole look that I did. You see how simple that was. Of course, while explaining it takes a bit longer, but I really enjoyed, because after a long time I did one makeup tutorial for YouTube. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We are so close to 2K. Let's just make it possible. And I see that you guys love Sarojini, so one more Sarojini vlog coming soon with a haul, or maybe both in a different video. Let's see, I'm not sure. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Already said that. Anyway, do like this video, give it a thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification button so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll get notified. And until next time, I'll see you guys soon with some other new videos. Bye. Oh, do not forget to follow me on my Instagram, and all the social media links description में है सारे links.